Hi students, how are you? I am your science teacher Ramesh Bishnoi. Welcome all of you. Dear students, we are in 7th class, we are in 8th class or 7th chapter. We continue to learn conservation of nature and plants. Dear students, in previous lesson you will be learn about deforestation. What do you mean by deforestation? You also learn all about it. You also learn the deforestation and its definition. You are here seeing a picture. There were many plants cut down for many purposes like procuring lands for cultivation, building houses and factories, using wood as fuel for making furniture, etc. The natural causes of deforestation are forest fire and drought. Dear students, these process we called deforestation means cleaning of forest and using the land for other purpose is called deforestation. And you also learn consequence of deforestation. Next is flora and fauna. Dear students, flora means the word flora means plants. All the plants we called flora. And fauna means the word fauna means animals. All the animals, living organisms we call fauna. Now, in this chapter, in this session, we learn conservation of forest and wildlife. Dear students, conservation of forest and wildlife. Forest and wildlife can be conserved by setting up areas like biosphere reserve, national park, and wildlife sanctuaries. Biosphere is that part of the earth in which living organisms exist or which supports life. Biological diversity or biodiversity refer to the variety of organisms existing on the earth, their interrelationships and their relationship with the environment. Here are some pictures for biosphere reserve. Maps showing in this picture. Biosphere reserve are large area of protected land for conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of the tribal living there. Here is Panchamari Biosphere Reserve. National Park. National Park are area reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitat and natural resources. A national park is a park in use for conservation purpose. Often it is a reserve of natural, semi-natural or developed land that sovereign state declare or own. Next is wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries are area where animals protect from any disturbance to them or their habitat. Next is red data book. What do you mean by red data book? Red data book is a state document established from documenting rare and endangered species of animals, plant and fungi as well as some local species. such as Ladoga seal that exist within the territory of the Russian Federation and its continental shelf and marine economic zone. The book has been adopted by Russia and all CIS states to enact a common agreement on rare and endangered species protection. Recycling of paper. Dear students, paper recycling is the process of turning wastes period into new paper produce. Papers are made from plant. For making paper, we have cut down many plants. So dear students, it is necessary for recycling of paper. Here in this picture, you also see how can we recycle the paper. Dear students, next is reforestation. Reforestation means is the natural or international restocking of existing forests that have been depleted usually through deforestation. Endangered species. Endangered species. Some species can get extinct. These species are called endangered species. Some of them are lemurleaf frog, grizzly bear, etc. And extinct species. Extinct species, those species which are not found anymore, called extinct species. Some of them are Bali tiger, dinosaur, Scorodon, etc. Thanks you all of goodbye.